Are you tired of dealing with uninspiring and ineffective prompts? Do you struggle to find the motivation to come up with engaging and imaginative outcomes? If you can relate, then you've come to the right place. In this video, our main focus is to address a common issue that many people face when crafting prompts. But fear not, as we have the perfect solution. With the help of ChatGPT, we'll show you how to effortlessly create impressive prompts that will exceed your expectations. We'll guide you through a step-by-step process to customize the ultimate prompt according to your specific needs. Welcome to Tech Trend. I'm Olivia, and today I'll be introducing the super prompt. ChatGPT is all about prompt engineering. Wouldn't it be fascinating to have one prompt that rules them all? I have just the solution. The super prompt differs from the prompt we presented last week in its methodology. Why not try them both out and see which one you prefer? Let's dive right in. So what exactly does the super prompt do? The super prompt was developed by the author Quicksilver and allows users to create custom programs or specialized prompts. The idea is to solve various problems using these prompts. It's incredibly versatile and reduces the effort required for generating tokens. This enables users to perform repetitive tasks like programming or writing much more efficiently and in less time. If you choose to use the super prompt, you can create your own prompts for tasks, problems, or goals that you frequently encounter. By doing so, you'll have specific instructions that can quickly lead you to the desired result. The key is to always have a clear goal in mind when working with artificial intelligence and to use precise and concise language. For example, instead of saying, "I want to create a prompt that solves trigonometric equations," you would phrase it like this: "You will create a prompt that solves trigonometric equations." With the super prompt, we can transform GPT into an assistant that helps us generate the most effective prompts for any given topic. The best part is that we can continuously improve this assistant by responding to queries and receiving suggestions. The process is incredibly straightforward, so let's jump right into the prompt and get started. The actual prompt is quite lengthy and contains a lot of information. Therefore, we have decided to provide a brief summary of the key points here. You can find the full prompt in the video description as usual, making it easy for you to copy and try it out yourself. This prompt describes an interactive session with an AI assistant that takes on various expert roles to fulfill a specific task. These roles help define and control the scope of ChatGPT's knowledge and abilities. The AI is expected to execute different commands during the conversation. Each command serves a specific function to enhance the interaction, such as automatically continuing when the character limit is reached or regularly checking the context of the conversation. The prompt outlines a specific routine for creating and revising a new ChatGPT prompt, starting with the user explaining how ChatGPT can assist them and ending with executing the created prompt and requesting feedback. An extensive list of commands, examples, and references in the appendix helps users understand the precise use case of each command and provides a useful resource during the interaction. The prompt also indicates how to enable and disable commands during the interaction, allowing for a flexible and adaptable conversation. Finally, ChatGPT is expected to confirm its understanding of the instructions by responding with, "How may I help you today?" Enough theory. Let's try it out with a concrete example. Let's get started. Simply copy the entire text and switch directly to ChatGPT to execute it and see what happens. It's essential to note that I'm using GPT-4 here, and the results with the presented prompt are particularly good with GPT-4. I'll paste the prompt into the message box and send it. Initially, we receive a brief response. The assistant understands us and asks, "How may I help you today?" In our example, we type into the message box, "Create a fitness and nutrition plan to help me get fitter and healthier," and send the response. The assistant promptly suggests taking on the expert roles as the nutrition expert and fitness expert to create a personalized solution for us. We are asked if we agree with this approach. We confirm, and in return, we receive feedback with the capabilities of the selected experts. Next, we are asked, "How can I help with creating a fitness and nutrition plan for you?" We keep it simple and repeat our request. Create a fitness and nutrition plan, and send it again. The assistant confirms that it has understood the request and starts asking questions to generate a more specific solution tailored to us. I have provided exemplary answers to these questions, but I won't read them all here. You can simply pause the video at this point if you want to take a closer look at the questions and my answers. After answering the questions, the assistant proceeds to the next step of the defined process and asks if specific references should be considered. As we don't have any sources or references to be taken into account, we decline and send the message again. The assistant confirms and asks to better understand our expectations in the next step. We are once again prompted to answer some questions to further narrow down the potential solution. We respond to the questions and send them. The assistant promptly replies that there is now enough information available to create a tailored nutrition and fitness plan for us. We can see that the assistant is executing the command to generate a prompt. Simultaneously, we are asked to provide feedback on the created prompt to determine if it meets our expectations. Once again, we confirm our agreement. After our confirmation, the assistant starts creating the desired fitness and nutrition plan. It strictly considers the limitations set during the Q&A process. The assistant then asks if there are any changes to the plan that should be made. We decide to make our nutrition plan for each day more specific and request, "Can you give me a nutrition plan for each day for a week?" Immediately, we receive the nutrition plan presented for different days of the week. It lists the various meals for each day to help us get closer to our goal. Starting with a simple prompt, the assistant guided us towards achieving our goal with utmost specificity. It utilized expert roles to provide better support and followed a structured process to precisely narrow down our solution. As a result, we obtained a personalized nutrition and fitness plan that we can easily tailor to our requirements. With the commands listed in the script, we also have the ability to influence the solution process. Here we show again an overview of the available commands. We can suggest expert roles, assume specific roles ourselves, and address certain points to particular roles. Additionally, complex queries can be broken down into a series of interconnected prompts to yield better results. Once we are satisfied with our selection and narrowing down, we can create, revise, or execute prompts. Commands can be toggled on or off throughout the entire interaction. Let me show you some examples to demonstrate the execution of specific commands. When we use the command /auto_suggest, ChatGPT automatically proposes helpful commands during the interaction, indicated by the light emoji when appropriate. In our example, we receive suggestions for areas where we can receive guidance. Specifically, we get 4 suggestions. Using the command /suggest_roles, additional expert roles are proposed by ChatGPT based on the user's requirements. In addition to the already known roles, in our example, the role of wellness coach expert is suggested. The command /chain_of_thought guides the AI to break down complex queries into a series of interconnected prompts. When we enter the command, we receive a simplified breakdown of our previous interaction. Here we can delve into individual components to address complex queries more effectively. The command /revise_prompt allows the generated prompt to be revised based on the user's feedback. After entering the command, the user is prompted to provide information about the desired changes. I hope these examples help illustrate the functionality and utility of these commands in ChatGPT. All these commands were developed to facilitate deep interaction between the user and the AI model. They allow us to set roles, control the depth of the dialogue and context, and prompt the model to make suggestions or formulate its own thoughts. The quality of the results can be individually controlled, opening up entirely new possibilities for steering our solution process. It's fascinating to witness how the use of GPT-4 and collaboration with AI have continuously refined our prompt. The possibilities are boundless, and we can repeat the process as many times as necessary to achieve even better outcomes. If you find this methodology intriguing and are interested in enhancing and optimizing your own prompts, this prompt generator is the perfect solution for you. Give it a try and experience the creative power of ChatGPT in action. We eagerly await your feedback. Let us know in the comments if you're ready to embrace the challenge and take your prompts to a new level. I hope you all enjoyed this ChatGPT video. If you have any questions or suggestions, please share them in the comments below. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe if you'd like to see more content like this. Thank you and see you soon.